Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove the front bumper on your Audi A8 D3 using an easy method. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a set of Torx screwdrivers, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. A 10mm socket and a magnetic pickup tool will also be very helpful for those hard-to-reach fasteners. Always ensure your workspace is safe, and consider putting your car in lift or jack mode for better access and clearance. Now, let's begin by tackling the wheel arches. Turn your front wheels inward to give yourself ample room to work. You'll find several T25 Torx screws holding the front section of each wheel arch liner in place. Remove these. Next, gently pry out the lower outer grille pieces using your trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver. This will expose additional fasteners that need to be removed to free the bumper. Moving underneath the car, you'll find three 10mm nuts on each side that connect the bumper to the inner wings. Carefully remove these. There are also several T25 Torx screws along the bumper's underside and across the top grille area that need to be taken out. Before fully detaching the bumper, remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for components like fog lights, parking sensors, or headlight washers. This prevents damage as you pull the bumper away. With all fasteners and electrical connections removed, you can now gently pull the bumper forward. It should slide out like a drawer, but you may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from any remaining clips. Double-check that all electrical connectors are completely detached before setting the bumper aside. Reinstallation is simply the reverse process. Align all mounting points, reattach fasteners, and reconnect all electrical components for a successful finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.